So you've just arrived at Montreal Airport. You got your baggage? Now what? How am I going to get into the city? Well, let me show you how to take the bus into town. This is the fastest way to get in and the most convenient.
Hello friends, Kevin here, and today I'm at Montreal Airport, and I'm going to show you how to get into the city cheap and by taking the bus. Let's go. If you are on the top floor of arrivals, you want to go downstairs. We are here, and we want to go over here.
Just look out for gate number 27. The walk from one end of Montreal Airport to the other takes about 2 minutes. All you have to do is look up, take a look at the numbered signs, and you're going to be heading in the right direction. One of the first areas that you're going to be greeted with is the taxi area. You can go ahead and disregard that. I'm going to list the prices to how much the taxis are over here so you can get a glimpse of just how much it could cost you if you're going to take a cab into the city. But there are some better options. So that's gate number 23. Let's go on to gate number 24. After the cabs, you're going to be greeted by the limousine drivers. Forget that, you keep moving. And after the limousine drivers is where, if you have a book shuttle, you will find it out here at gate number 26. And a short walking distance right after gate number 26 is where you're going to find some prepaid SIM cards. You can always go with Chatter or Rogers or Fido over here, but I would recommend using an application called Airalo if you want to save a little bit of money and you don't need a Canadian phone number. If not, Chatter will do the trick. It's relatively affordable. And we're going to pass by gate number 27, and that's where you will find the STM Montreal Transport booth. And the bus that we're looking to take today is the 747 to downtown Montreal. This is a bus that will take you from one end of downtown to the other, starting from Lionel-Groulx Metro onwards, with departures every 10 to 15 minutes all day in both directions. The bus costs $11 and provides you with a 24-hour pass to the entire city. So yes, the second that you do buy a card, you can also use that card to ride any bus or metro system in the entire city of downtown Montreal. And this is how you get it. Step 1, buy a non-refundable card. Choose Zone A 24 hours. Choose one fare, it's $11.25. You can choose either cash or debit card. Today I'm going to be using the cash function. I'm going to be paying with a large bill. And the reason that I will pay with a large bill is for the sole purpose of this reasoning right here. I would suggest using smaller bills, or else it'll break that $50 bill into just a bunch of toonies. Don't forget to hit yes if you would like a receipt, and it'll take a minute to process. It'll spit out both your receipt and your travel card. And also don't forget to pick up all of your change. That's right, my $50 bill has now been broken into toonies. Just out the gate number 28, you're gonna hang a right with that card that you just recently purchased. You're going to walk past the Uber section, and then just down the hallway over here, we're going to hang a left. You can't miss it. There's signs for the bus absolutely everywhere. And there is a nice little bus shelter over here on the right side where you will just need to queue up. And if you want to see what the times are for this specific bus, you can always download the STM app, or just all the way down the queue, you can view a neat little timetable with all the times that the buses are coming. Note there are two versions of the bus, one that just takes you straight to downtown Montreal Lionel-Groulx, and one bus that takes you all across downtown Montreal. The buses are conveniently marked, and you can look at the timetable for more information. Even if you mess up and you get the wrong bus, the Montreal Metro system is extremely easy to use, and your pass will take you absolutely anywhere you need to go. To get on the bus, all you need to do is simply bring your baggage on board and tap your card on the ticket scanner located to the right. And there you go. There's plenty of room on board for baggage. All you have to do is just lift it up and put it on the racks, and you're on your way to downtown on the cheapest and most effective way into the city, because this bus bypasses traffic. It has its own express lane, and you can get to the city real quick.
So there you have it. That's how you take the bus to downtown Montreal from the airport. For more food, travel, gaming, and more, give us a subscribe. And if you're looking for the best places to eat in Montreal, why not check out one of our informative guides and give us a subscribe. Bye for now.